Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, thank you for the opportunity. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aidul Fazinar Ainia, and today I want to present about the critical pedagogy of procedure text, especially about work safety guidelines. So first, I want to explain about the definition of critical pedagogy. Critical pedagogy, in my opinion, is a knowledge that that always make critically about the material, and it can be from the discussion with share the opinions each other. So next, there are have learning objective. For learning objective, first is students are able to analyze the social function, text structure, and linguistic elements of procedure text related to work safety guidelines. And the second is students are able to evaluate the social functions, like social functions, text structure, and linguistic elements of procedure text related to work safety guidelines. Next is a student are able to create procedure text related to work safety guidelines in accordance with the context of use correctly and responsibly. Next, students are able to present procedure text related to safety guidelines in accordance with the context of their use correctly and responsibly. Next is learning activities. So the learning activities always start with the introduction. So they are the learning activities with the introduction. It's commonly learning activities for the introduction, like students and teachers greet each other, then prepare, then students pray to the start learning process, then the teacher conducts a diagnostic test using oral question and answer methods like how are you today? How do you feel today? How do you feel this morning? So next, students answer questions from the teacher about their feelings and their conditions on that day while the teacher takes attendance. And at the end is the teacher conveys the objective to be achieved during the learning process and then prepares the equipment to facilitate the learning process. Next, there are many core activities or main activities. Number one is teacher begins to explain the definition and structure of procedure text and give some example of making a work safety guidelines like this. Wait. Okay, this is the example of the procedure text about work safety guidelines. So ada and the next number 2 is students listen to the teacher explanation about the definition and structure of procedure text. Then students pay attention to general things that must be present in the learning topic, such as how to starting the procedure text, how to connecting the procedure text, and how to organize the procedure text that so that it's easy to understand by readers. Next, students are given the opportunity to ask which part they haven't understood about the procedure text. Next, students are given the opportunity to ask about how to make correct and appropriate work safety guidelines. Next, teachers invite students to visit the UKS room. In English is like healthy schools unit, so that students can see and read examples of safety guidelines. For this activity, maybe some students not really understand with the how to write the procedure text, that it can be clearly for readers like this. This is the example of the poster of the poster of work safety guidelines. This is the example of poster of work safety guidelines. So, because this is procedure text, especially for work safety guidelines, so it's more complex and it have some words that cannot easily understand by students. And maybe students curious about the work safety guidelines at the UKS room or what is it? Health school unit. So students can ask critically with the staff within the UKS room or health school unit, such as like is wearing mask the most important step to take. Meanwhile, there are still many people who treat not wearing a mask. Next question is the step after washing hands to wear gloves? Maybe the step of wearing glove is correct, but what if the step of washing hand is omitted? Like, what happened? Will it be a problem if we delete the step of washing hands before the wearing a glove? Like this. That's the question to make students critically thinking about the work safety guidelines. So next is to increase in understanding. Students are also allowed to look for example of work safety guidelines procedure text on the internet. Like the first one, this is the example from the internet, from the procedure text about the work safety guidelines. Like there have purpose, required tools and materials, safety procedure, and then is a conclusion. So next. Next is a student forms group of 5 members. I choose for this activity is only for group work, not for individually work, because I think this is more complex for students, because work safety guideline is more more complex and can make students more thinking and more critically about the work safety guidelines. So it's only for the group work. Then students analyze and discuss and express opinion about the text of work safety procedures that have been obtained from the UKS room and the internet. So at this activity, students can critically about the opinion each other. Like they can express their opinion, then they can discuss about the opinion, they can critically about the opinion, like that. So next, students compose procedure text about work safety guidelines properly and correctly. Next, each group must present the result in front of the class clearly so that other groups can understand. So in this activity is not only students not only just present it, but they also give some reason about the opinions, about the steps, why the procedure text contained that step, like that. So next is closing activities. There have 2 closing activities. Number 1 is teacher give brief feedback to all groups to evaluate their learning and ask students reflection question. So this is the reflection question. There have 3. Number 1 is what are material you learned during today lessons? Number 2 is did you have any difficulties while doing assignments related to today's material? And number 3 is are you satisfied with the results of your work today? Like this. And teacher close the learning activity with a friendly greeting and recites the post-learning prayer. Okay, next is students' difficulties. The difficulty of students in terms compiling procedure text is to find the right words to make sentence so that they can be easily understood. In addition, some students during the presentation, not all students could give clear reason why the procedure text contains that step. Okay. Next is a social context. In the social context, students showed enough interaction with the staff in the UKS room or health school unit and critically ask more clearly about the work safety guidelines. And students also showed enough skill in thinking about the contents, about the procedure text, about the work safety guidelines. And at the end is students also discuss enough with their group members to express their opinion regarding to the procedure text, regarding the answer regarding the answer during the making of procedure text. However, there are also students who only agreed with the opinion and not appearing the opinion. Next, at the teaching setting. Okay, I took two teaching settings for this activity. First is collaboration from our group work. Why I chose this teaching settings? Because the teacher wants students to socialize, wants students to express their opinions with other students and thinking critically about the opinions. And from this can make students to actively discuss and can students to understand each other characters like that. And with this teaching setting, with this collaboration from our group work, this can make the students can do the tasks completed quickly. Next, the second is project work, teaching setting project work. The teacher provides some material about the procedure text. Then the teacher will give the task for the student, and student will be asked to do the tasks in groups. So with this teaching setting, the teachers also can also know the ability, the student ability. Next is the Bloom taxonomy level. Bloom taxonomy related to this teaching material is located at the create level. Why? Because after analyzing and understanding the procedure text, students are expected to create some procedure text about the work safety guidelines and make it easily understand by readers. So next is how to connect learning objectives and output. Students are expected to be able to create a procedure text about work safety guidelines that can be clearly understood by others. Because the work safety guidelines can be displayed in the form of posters on the school meeting, or even can be used in the UKS room or health school unit. Next is future graduates. Okay, students from this school have been able to think critically and help to create some procedure texts that are not only related to work safety guidelines. These procedure texts have been used as posters in several workplaces. Okay, this is the example text and procedure text. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.